Hi everyone and welcome back to another video with me Shruti Vashisht. You're watching Living Our Ascension. So of course this video is this week's reading and I'm gonna get into that in just a second. And before I get into the reading, I want to announce I have some big news from my side anyway. My soulmate, my manifesting soulmate course is out now. It can be purchased. And it's not officially announced yet, so I'm still putting some final touches to it, but you can pre-purchase it at a discount, so it's only available for this week at a discounted price. You know, you can buy it if you want to get it at a discount now, and as soon as it's released, you know, I'm expecting in about 7 to 10 days, maybe earlier, then it will, you know, you'll be locked on, you'll be sent all the materials and everything. It's a really in-depth, detailed course about just manifesting, you know, this relationship that reflects you on all fronts, you know, all of your who you are, not only your physical dimension but all of your dimensions, and how do you manifest that. So that is what the course is about. And also I wanted to say I have a new YouTube channel, so you might want to check that out. It's all about manifesting. It's going to be you know, very simple. I'm going to explain very simply in that channel steps to manifestation, and just generally speak about manifestation and how you just live that life, you know, where you are a co-creator with source, you know, with the creator of all. Okay, so having said that, I also want to let you know that the link to my website is below if you want to work with me personally, the Living Our Ascension website. And yeah, check that out. You know, I have all kinds of different personal services there. So now we can finally move into the reading, and it's really hot, I'm sweating. Okay, but I decided to pick up this, I wouldn't call it a deck, it's just a box with these different cards. It's called the Angel cards, and I haven't used this, I don't know since when, and it was just lying there, and in fact when I opened it, it has these even handwritten cards that I've made. So I think we're going to use both for this week's reading. So just choose either number 1, number 2 or number 3, whichever number resonates with you today, and then just you know, scroll and find number 1, 2 or 3 and listen to your message there. Okay, so if you chose number 1, then here's the deck or the box, and I'm just gonna pick one, see which one comes through. Okay, so here's the one you get. It says courage, and yeah, so this deck just has these little cards. So courage, and I'm gonna pick one of these, my handwritten ones, and look, here it says you are more connected than you think. Okay, so that's interesting. There's 2 angels here. Look, one angel in the original card and one that I made also. There's a little angel here. Okay, so you are more connected than you think. So I think this has to do with the connection to your angelic self. And we have different parts of us, you know. There's different aspects to a human, aside from our physical, you know, we have our soul, but even on the soul dimensions, there are different levels that are to, you know, that we exist in, because we are all multi-dimensional beings, so we exist on many different dimensions. There's different aspects of us, and the angelic side of us is the highest that there is, you know. You can say it's kind of like the Christ or Buddha levels. So those levels refer to service. Like if you think about angels, what do? They are not all about themselves, they help other people, and it's you know, they're here just in service, you know, to serve something. Like you hear of different angels, like Archangel Michael serves the blue ray, you know, the and Archangel Raphael, for example, serves the green ray. So they have different purposes. Like the blue is all about truth, green is all about healing and wisdom. So I feel that your particular service, whatever it is, codes into that are coming to you now. And You might deny it because it might feel too good to be true, or somehow there's something about it that you don't initially like, or you can't fully get on board somehow. You can't fully feel how that's true for you. But it says here, you're more connected than you think, and have the courage to. There's an eagle that is making these loud sounds right now, and eagles represent higher messages. They fly high and they can see what's happening at ground level, but at the same time they belong in the sky. So that is what you are as well. You are more connected than you think. And so there's some quotes that are coming to you about your service in the world, how you can contribute. And once you really embrace that at a heart level, it'll start opening up in a physical way too. I know this is a really confusing time for many people at this time, with jobs and everything being a little bit iffy or things changing a lot. But yeah, your guidance, your own angelic self is always there as a stable presence in your life, no matter what turbulence or changes happen in our physical life. And that aspect of you is always stable. So within that, whatever's flowing, there's a constant flow. So you just need to tap into that. And it's already kind of coming to you, these messages. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed that message. Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, that helps me out a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so if you chose number 2, we're going to pick a card from here, and we're just gonna pick one of these, and woo, you get freedom. So that's that. Look at the cheeky little image. Okay, so that's freedom. And I'm gonna pick another card here, one that I wrote. Let's see which one it is. Oops, sorry. Wrap yourself in a bubble of love. Okay, so freedom and wrap yourself in a bubble of love. Can you see the similarity here? There's a sun here, and there's like that bubble, and the woman's there, and here again there's a person and the circle. So I feel that is the image you should take home for this week. It's kind of like the sun. What is the sun? The sun is has its own life, has its own inspiration, and has its own light. Essentially, it has its own higher inspiration. It knows what it needs to do. It's kind of like filled in with light all the time from something that is greater than itself. Even though we think that the sun is the biggest thing ever, because that it's the biggest thing in our solar system and all the bodies revolve around it. But there are systems that are greater than the sun too, that it belongs to, and those feed it with inspiration, with light. So in a similar way, the sun, through the sun we are fed that inspiration and light as well. And you just need to remember that you have this inner sun, that this inspiration is within you. And there might be things in the physical or people especially that tell you otherwise, but it says, why does it say wrap yourself in a bubble of love? It's like a protective bubble. In this bubble you are safe, in this bubble. And this bubble, what is it? You just create it with your energy. You feel yourself in your own energy, in like a bubble of your own energy, in a bubble of love, of divine love, of light, or whatever, however you relate to it. But it's essentially a protective bubble inside which you feel safe and you feel secure, and you feel you can protect that authenticity that you have, like those inspired moments that happen to you, and you believe them instantly, but at the same time then the next moment something happens and you tend to not believe. So you can protect yourself and keep that authenticity locked inside that space, and then move around in the world as that. So you can actually what I'm feeling is you can feel this light signature around you. So sort of create like a sun from your heart. There's light coming out, and there's a bubble that's forming, and you can think of it as any color that you want, however it feels right to you, but feel it very strong as your aura, your energy, and you are walking in it gracefully. Nothing can touch you inside it, and therefore you get to be completely free. You get to do whatever. Look at what this woman is doing. She's like showing her butt cheeks. So it's like she's naked, And naked in spirituality just means bearing your soul, being as you are, not putting on anything, not needing to be anything that you are not. So it has to do with freedom, has to do with authenticity. So yeah, I hope those messages resonated with you. Try out this exercise of putting yourself in a sun or in a bubble, creating it around you, and it being your own space, you claiming your own space of freedom and authenticity. Okay, let me know in the comments below how this resonated for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new here, and like this video. That really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next video. If you chose number 3, we're going to pick a card from here. And we get this one. Commitment. So think about what this means for you. What do you need to be committed to? Alright, and I'm just going to pick one. There's only 2 left from the ones that I had written. And so I picked one of those, and it says, watch out for signs. Okay, so commitment and watch out for signs. So as I look at the little tiny image here, there's an angel being. They are writing something, look. So I really feel that whatever this is that you need to be committed to, whether it's your purpose, whether it's the relationships that you are in, and you want to be more committed to making them really solid, really grounded, you know, for them to reflect your divinity, or whether you want to be committed to a certain value that you hold, you know, let's say a certain cause, or you've decided to be healthier and you want to stay committed to that. Whatever it might be, you will know for yourself, you know, that I need to be committed to this. So what came up in your heart when you heard the word commitment and you need to be committed? So if you don't know what that is, then these signs will be coming to you this week, you know, exactly how you can make it happen. If you think that, especially if you think that this is something that's too hard for you to do, there'll be signs all around, you know, but the first step is to embrace it fully, to know that I am committed, you know. That's always the first step. You don't get the answers first. It's not as if everything is laid out for you first, you know, how you will get there, how things will become easier for you. The first step is always that I am here, this feels right in my heart, I'm committed to this. And then the steps, you know, kind of are created for you. They arise from that first state of commitment. So how they are naturally born and how they naturally flow in your life is by first claiming something. So you can see that in this picture they're actually writing something. So I feel like that's like writing an affirmation, you know, like we affirm something, that when we put it in writing, it's almost like it's true, you know, you're taking an oath. Just like legally when there's paperwork, you know, you have to stick to it. So I feel you can do some sort of a practice like that, where you're writing something that, you know, I am committed to this, or this is my life now, whatever that is. And then just you know, the signs and the direction, everything will just light up for you. It'll be all around, it'll be undeniable. But the first step is to really know what it is you're committing to. Go deep in your heart and have that really defined, clear feeling. It needs to be a clear feeling that this is what I'm committed to, and I'm stable here. And then the path will line up for you to make that actually stable in your outer life too. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful, and let me know in the comments below what it is you are committing to at this time. I think for me it's my health and just eating habits. Yeah, if you liked what you heard today, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and please like this video, it really helps me out. And that's it. I will see you very soon in the next video.